Did you know that you can not only add GPX files to Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro, but you can also export GPX files from it? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using the Zepp app. So let's get started. Go in the Zepp app. So if you have any previous recorded workout using GPS, you need to go in that workout because that's where the GPX file will be located. So go in workouts, go in workout history, and then locate the workout that you want to export the GPX file for. So I'll go in this one. So here I can see the route and I can see all the information about the route right here. So now just tap on this three dot menu and then tap on this export data button. And this will give you three formats that you can export this file in: GPX, TCX, and FAT format. So we'll go in GPX format. So that's it, your GPX file has been exported successfully to your phone. That is how you can export GPX file for any route or activity that you recorded using T-Rex 3 Pro. Now let's see how you can add any GPX file to T-Rex 3 Pro. And there are a lot of apps and resources available from where you can download these GPX files for different routes and trails. But once you have downloaded those GPX files into your phone, it's very easy to load them up on T-Rex 3 Pro. So let's see how to do that. For this example, I'll just use the GPX file that we have just exported from T-Rex 3 Pro. So first step is to locate the GPX file in the file manager on your phone. Once you have located it, all you have to do is tap on it and it will give you options to open this GPX file in, and any app that supports GPX files will be shown here. So right now I have Samsung Health and Zepp app. So we'll select Zepp app, and then you can see that this route has been loaded in the Zepp app. And I can see all the information about the route down here as well: the distance, elevation, total descent, and this elevation graph right here. Now just press save and the route will be saved, and then it will give you this option to send to device. So send to device, and from here you can select any Amazfit watch that you're using or connected with the Zepp app. We'll select T-Rex 3 Pro, and now this route has been sent to my Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro. Now to find this route on the watch, you need to go in workout, then go in outdoor running or walking, whichever exercise you want to use for this route. So we'll go in walking, then go in settings, go in navigation, go in my route, and there is the route right there that we have just imported to T-Rex 3 Pro. Tap on it. You can preview the route as well. There you can see it. You can see elevation, the graphical information that we just saw on the phone. You can see the slope preview, start point direction. So you can change the direction of the course, and then you can just use the route and it will enable the GPS and you can start working on this route. And you'll start the workout and then scroll down, and here you will see the route. So that is how you can export and add GPX files to your Amazfit T Rex 3 Pro. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.